Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the original screen is at hand and iOS is up to date. Once done, back up your device and turn off passcode and biometrics. Remove the case, power down, and ground yourself to avoid ESD. Make sure you have a magnetic mat and the right drivers, then remove the bottom screws and separate the display just enough to access connectors. You're acting now to preserve the display's pairing data and prevent accidental damage before deeper steps. Once the device is open, disconnect the battery to avoid shorting circuits, then carefully lift the display connectors. You should inspect each connector under light. Corrosion or bent pins will break True Tone. Reinstall the original display by aligning the connectors and seating them firmly. Listen for a tactile click. Reattach brackets and screws in the original positions to avoid pressure on the cables. When you finish, plug the battery back in, partially close the phone, and power it on. You now verify True Tone in settings and compare color under mixed ambient light. Make small brightness changes to test the ambient sensor response. If True Tone doesn't appear or behaves wrong, reset all settings to reload profiles and retry. This often restores the display's pairing flags. If problems persist, perform a DFU restore to rule out software corruption. One key troubleshooting tip. If anything still fails after these steps, a missing factory pairing or damaged sensor is likely. Stop and consult author.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.